Welcome to our portable laundry showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between two innovative washing machines designed for small spaces. The Elevon portable washing machine and the Mini Foldable Mini Washer. Whether you're living in an apartment, dorm, or RV, finding the right washing machine can make all the difference. Let's explore how these two products stack up against each other in terms of design, capacity, and functionality. The Elevon portable washing machine features a fixed twin tub design, which provides a dedicated washing and spinning compartment but requires more space. In contrast, the Mini portable washing machine is designed to be ultra-compact and collapsible, making it easy to store and ideal for travel. This difference in design significantly impacts where and how you can use these machines. When it comes to capacity, the Elevon portable washing machine boasts an impressive 18 pounds washing capacity and a 10 pounds spinning capacity, making it suitable for small families or weekly laundry. On the other hand, the Mini portable washing machine has a much smaller capacity of 16 liters, which is ideal for delicate items and small loads, but may not meet the needs of larger households. The Elevon portable washing machine features a powerful, dedicated spin dryer, allowing for efficient moisture removal and quicker drying times. In contrast, the Mini portable washing machine uses a minimal spin basket, which is less effective in drying but is gentler on delicate fabrics. This difference is crucial for users who prioritize drying efficiency versus fabric care. In conclusion, both the Elevon portable washing machine and the Mini Foldable Mini Washer have their unique strengths. The Elevon is perfect for those who need higher capacity and powerful spinning, while the Mini excels in portability and gentle care for delicate items. Consider your specific needs and living situation when choosing between these two options. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.